Good morning. My name is Aura Maria García Espitia. I am teacher, auxiliar in Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe School. From years ago, every day I was awakened at 5 o'clock, but I get up at 5 a.m. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. I go to my bedroom. I toothbrush my clothes. I think some with my mother after prepare breakfast. I usually make arepas, cheese, cooked egg. I prepare coffees and milk and have the breakfast. After that, I wash a dish. I organize my and I close my phone. My student with student friend. I use activities the student has to do. I explain them. At 11, I stay student evidence. Then I guess. At 12, I had the lunch. At 1 o'clock, I wash it. At 2 and 3:30, I take a rest for some minutes. In the afternoon, I prepare my class and the works from students. I find 13, prepare dinner. At 6:15, I had dinner with my family. At 7:00, I video conference my works and teammates for some minutes. From 7:30 to 8 to my 1 hour. My 9 o'clock, my favorite program, a otro nivel. At 10, I usually see movie, a channel. At 11, I take a shower, brush the game. At 11:30, I do best friends work with some minutes. When my night finishes, I usually make a play and do the bed. But Saturday, Sunday, routine changes a little. I get up late and lose my goal and the clothes. Thank you.